A wallet case for your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Jisoncase Labato wallet case for iPhone 10. Jisoncase sent these out to me. I have 4 colors: brown, red, blue, and black. You can pick these cases up online for $14. The link is in the description below. Let's take a look. These cases came in a nice box packaging. It was wrapped in plastic. It also came with a thank you card and a styrofoam insert to protect the case. This is the red, blue, black, and brown colors. This is a genuine leather wallet. It has the Labato branding on the side. The stitching is done very precise all around. The top has a cutout for the phone receiver. And the wallet is secured by a magnetic flap. Inside you have a slot for an ID and another slot for some cards. And there is also a bill compartment. The interior lining is very soft. The phone case is a flexible rubber material and all the buttons are covered. There are cutouts for speaker and power on the bottom. Installation is very simple. The phone just slides in with little effort. It looks really good and it's not really bulky for being a wallet in case. Here's the view all around. The wallet is well put together. It can also be used as a stand. You just flip the flap back and pull the case forward a bit. So now you can just put it on the table to use your device. The red wallet now. It has a nice bright red color. And the view all around. Now the blue color. This one has a nice deep tone to it. Looks really professional and just feels good in the hands. And finally, the black. This one doesn't attract much attention. It just blends in well with the phone. I like the look of this one. The Jisoncase Labato wallet case for iPhone 10. These are genuine leather wallets with iPhone cases built in. They are made with quality and provides protection for your phone. If you're in the market for a wallet and phone case combo, this is definitely worth a look. The price is worth it in my opinion, and the selection of colors are terrific. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.